With Samsung's 4K The Frame TV, you can call your Netflix binges an expression of artistic appreciation. Let me tell you how. What's up, everyone? I'm Devin Howard, back again with another episode of Unbox This. Today, we're unboxing a product that I find especially intriguing, Samsung's 4K 65-inch The Frame TV. It works as a TV when it's on, and a piece of art when it's not. The Frame, like its name suggests, is like a picture frame, but so much better. It enhances your space while also providing you with the necessary entertainment you need to unwind after a long day. It comes with powerful, intelligent 4K processing, motion censoring, which I'll explain later on in the video, and sound that optimizes to your space. Clearly, there's a lot to get into with this TV/piece of art, so let's unbox this. Let's do this! Whew, that was probably the smoothest slice I've ever done on this show. Of course, we've got the quick start guide. This looks like it's probably part of the stand. This is a bag that's filled with all of the attachments that you'll need to set this up. I can see a power cord right here. I don't want to open this up and risk misplacing anything until we're ready to set things up, so I'm just going to set this whole packet aside. Wow. This one's got some weight to it. This is what Samsung calls the One Connect. You'll be able to plug in everything right back here. But for now, we've got a peel moment. Whew. Now, I believe I should be able to just lift this part of the box off. Wow. Now we'll remove this. There's a box on the back here. This is the wall mount. Again, I'm not going to bother unboxing this at this moment. It's just going to be a bunch of the tools and brackets that you need to get your frame up on the wall. The Samsung Frame TV is super thin and lightweight, so you definitely want to have a little bit of assistance when you're taking it out of the box because I feel like it could bend and break somewhat easily. So I'm calling in my trusty sidekick, Nico, to come help me out. Nico, once again,
Hey.
Here we are, getting a TV, a giant TV, out of a box. Thank you for your help.
Nope.
So let's pull this out of the box, and then after that, we're just gonna set things up.
Got it.
Okay. And then push it off. Remove this. Looks pretty nice, don't you think, Nico?
Looks super nice.
Yeah. Okay, so we are going to take a second and set this TV up, and then we'll be right back to talk about how it can really beautify your space and also provide you with great quality images and sound when you're watching your favorite shows and movies. We'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we have the TV all set up behind me and it looks great. It was really easy to put together. It takes 2 people because it is big, but I want to mention how slim it is. This feels almost as slim as an iPhone, which is pretty wild if you think about it. So when you hang it up on your wall among all the photos and decorations that you already have, it's going to blend in very seamlessly. Now we do have a peel moment, so I'm going to head on over to the TV right now so we can do that. Okay, that was probably the most satisfying peel moment I've ever done. I really, really enjoyed that. Now let's talk about the Samsung The Frame TV. So I personally really love interior design. So I like that Samsung has come up with a way to incorporate a functional piece of technology into an artistic enhancement to your space. Your design dreams won't be dampened by a mounted television. When you're not playing your favorite games or tuning into a new show, the Frame TV allows you to showcase lifelike photos and art in gorgeous 4K resolution on a display with customizable bezels so you can incorporate your screen into your decor. So picture this, you turn on your TV, you have it mounted on the wall, and it's showing you a beautiful image like this that will automatically adjust depending on the time of day and whether or not you're in the room. I think that that's pretty impressive. What separates this TV from others is that minimalistic modern frame that wraps it. The frame's profile is slimmer with a monochromatic color scheme so it can fit seamlessly into your space. Now, art mode is where this TV really shines. That's what we have it on right now. Samsung has its own collection of art that you can choose from, or you can upload your own pieces. The art store provides you with world-class museums and galleries right at your fingertips. It has a library of 1,400 pieces of artwork for you to choose from. The TV comes with built-in sensors to adjust the picture to your environment, like I mentioned before, so you always have the best-looking art on your wall. The screen will also automatically shut off when you're not in the room. You can also take advantage of customizable bezel. They have 2 styles available in several different colorways. The magnetic attachment makes it easy to switch things up as your style changes over time. In addition to beautifying your home, the frame levels up your TV and movie watching experience. You get 100% color volume with Quantum Dot. This technology delivers over 1 billion shades of color that stay true to life no matter how dim or bright your screen is. 4K processing optimizes both your picture and sound for an immersive experience. Details can be seen in high definition thanks to that 4K resolution picture. Dual LEDs provide enhanced contrast and improved viewing angles. These cool and warm LEDs help create a well-balanced picture. Sound is full and enveloping with this TV. Adaptive sound automatically adjusts audio to enhance everything you're watching, and the frame self-calibrates the audio to the room's acoustics, so you're getting the best sound possible wherever you are. The high-end Frame TV enhances your space by turning your TV into a piece of changing, customizable art. But when you're ready to sit down and binge a new series, it delivers beautiful images and perfect sound. If you're ready for a whole new TV watching experience, click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Let me know what kind of art you would display on your Frame TV in the comment section below. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!